to dropship from Indiamart to Amazon. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to dropship from Indiamart to your Amazon account. Are you just starting your dropshipping journey and don't know where to start? Are you unsure which suppliers can give you the best price, or do you have questions about where to launch your dropshipping business? So don't worry about all this, because in this video I will answer all those questions that you have while telling you that how you can start dropshipping from your Indiamart account to your Amazon seller account. So first of all you have to do is just simply get to know about Indiamart and how does it work. So Indiamart is the India's largest online B2B marketplace connecting buyers and suppliers with 60% market share of the online B2B classified space in India. The channel focuses on providing a platform and a small medium enterprise SMSEs which with large enterprise as well as individuals. Founded in 1999, the company's mission is to make doing business easy. Indiamart has everything for everyone, and for example for buyers it is very convenient for connecting with sellers anytime and anywhere, which has wider marketplace with the range of products and supplies. It has also payment protection program, and for suppliers it enhances business visibility, increases credibility for your brands and lead management system. Instant payment gateway with the Indiamart has the ease of doing business technique as well. So in order to start your drop shipping from Indiamart to your Amazon account, first of all just simply open your Indiamart account, just log into your account using your credentials, and once you're there in the Indiamart account you need to do your product research. Basically you need to figure out what kind of a product that you would want to buy from your Indiamart account. But before doing your product research, you need to make sure that you are fulfilling Indiamart dropshipping guidelines and features. So dropshipping on Indiamart has few benefits, and it is a great way for a new dealers to test the market without even putting much on the stake. So there is a little upfront cost and capital required for the starting for the business, as you don't need to purchase the stock or rent warehouse. Since there is no inventory, so you don't have to worry about the logistics. That frees up time for other tasks. And dropshipping on Indiamart also gives you access to a huge customer base, thus less market effort required for you to start. You can sell many products as well as you want to without stressing about running out of inventories, because you have the access, and you can learn how selling on Indiamart functions before getting into FBA, which is fulfilled by Indiamart, or private labeling selling. And now you need to also know about how the dropshipping with Indiamart works. So dropshipping with Indiamart is completely worth if you have the right product stocks to sell. Dropshipping with Indiamart can be done as follows. So you have to have product sourcing or stocks of genuine products ready for shipping, and brand yourself as the seller for the product on the packing slip. How you want to use information, guarantee the claims etc., which is required to responsible for acceptance and processing customers return for your products. Comply with the terms of your selling agreements and applicable Indiamart policies. Do not purchase products from another online retailers, and ask retailers to ship directly to your customers as well. So as you can see that one of the biggest advantage that the Indiamart offers you is the dropshipping, that you don't have to pay for the expenses for stock room. Some Indiamart vendors decided to make their items FBA. With FBA, vendor dispatches their item to Indiamart and Indiamart send them out to them. So first of all just do your product research now. So in order to begin your product research you need to come to the Indiamart's official website, and over here you can see there are so many products and categories listed over here, from electronics to automobiles to medical grade products to essential oils to your furnitures, building blocks, and there are some dresses, home decor, furniture, and other things as well. So you really have to dig in and find out the product or the niche that you are working on to sell products on your Amazon account. So for example, I want to sell dresses on my Amazon seller account using Indiamart as my source retailer. So just simply go to the search section from the top of the screen, and over here just simply search for dresses, and as soon as you search for it you will see there's so many sellers listing their dresses over here on the marketplace. So just simply scroll down and just explore the variety of the products that you will get as a result. So for example, you are liking this particular dress right here, you can select and go for as many vendors as you want, in order for you to have a huge variety of products in a same category, so that your store looks more visible and you have categories to play around. So you can go for dresses, you can go for loafers or slippers and matching sandals, jewelry, and basically everything that a woman need when they are getting dressed up. So you just have to select the product, and once you have selected the product, for example this particular product is for 19,991, which is very costly. So you can cut the cost down while selecting different products which is much cheaper. For example this one right here, which is quite cheaper. And so after you select the product which is fit in your budget, and you can see that there is a margin for some commission over here. For example, if the seller is selling it for 605.9, so you can go ahead and add up to 20% of the surplus on this price, and you can make up to like 700 to 800 as per your choice. You can even keep it up to 900, and so that your margins will be cut out. So after that, if you have selected the price range and the categories for the product that you would want to sell, all you have to do is just simply click on contact supplier. What Indiamart does is that it directly contact you with the suppliers who are selling this particular product, so you don't have to deal with any middle party in between. Just simply contact the supplier and ask them to make the inventory for this particular dress right here. For example, you want to make it for thousands of this, so you can order the suppliers and ask them that you want the same quality for the product in this much quantity, for example 100 or 200 or 1000. Just tell them that you want that, and as soon as you raise your query, then you will be able to receive your products, or they will keep it in their warehouse. And after that, just simply download the image from the Indiamart itself, and after that just simply open your Amazon Seller Central account and log into your account using your credentials. And on the home screen in your Amazon Seller account, you will see this screen right here, where you have to click here to add products, and basically enter or add products into your Amazon Seller account in order to start your dropshipping journey on Amazon using Indiamart. So what you have to do is just simply click on the keyword section, and over here just simply enter the product title, description, keyword. You can also go ahead and title or copy the details from your Indiamart website as well. So you can type the details like the cambric, jasmine, women, mustard, cotton, ethnic motif dress, and you can also type the sleeve types, occasion, neck type, and other details from the Indiamart website as only, and just enter or paste all the details over here. And after that, just simply upload the picture of the product that you have just copied from the Indiamart website and paste it right here. And after that, just also add the product ID while creating from any online platform, and enter the blank form, and just click on start. And likewise, you can add so many different products and categories into your Amazon Seller account and start your listing and start your dropshipping journey from there. So this is basically how you will be able to do dropshipping from Indiamart to Amazon. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.